Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Claude Code and how to set up Claude on Windows 11. Open web browser. I am using Microsoft Edge, you can use any web browser. Go to Google. Go to search bar. Type Claude Code. Quick Start. Press Enter. Click on first link. Quick Start Claude Code Docs. Scroll down. Click Accept all cookies. Windows PowerShell command. Copy this command. Go to Windows Search. Type PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now the PowerShell is open. Paste the command here. Press Enter. It's getting error. You need to install git-bash first. Go to web browser. Open new tab. Go to Google. Go to search bar. Download. Git. Press Enter. Click on first link. Git install for Windows. Click here to download the latest Git version. Let's click on it. Now the downloading is started. It is 61.6 megabytes setup file. Download completed. Go to File Explorer. Click Downloads. Here it is our Git setup file. Let's right-click on it. Click Open. Click Yes. Close Downloads. Close web browser. Close PowerShell. General Public License. Click Next. Git install the following location. Click Next. Select Component. Check on additional icons. Check Daily for Git for Windows updates. Check Add a Git bash profile to Windows Terminal. Click Next. Click Next. Choosing the default editor used by Git. Already selected used Visual Studio Code as Git's default editor. Click Next. Already selected, let Git decide. Click Next. Click Next. Choosing the SSH executable. Click Next. HTTPS transport backend. Click Next. Click Next. Choosing terminal emulator. Use MinTTY. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Now the Git installation is started. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. Completing the Git setup wizard. Check on Launch Git Bash. Uncheck View Release Notes. Click on Finish. Now the Git is open. Click on Close. Go to Windows Search. Type PowerShell. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Paste the copied command. To install Claude Code. Press Enter. Claude Code successfully installed. Version 2.1.96. This is installation location. You need add path on environment variables. Select the following path. Copy this path. Go to Windows Search. Type Environment. Click on Edit the System Environment Variables. Click Environment Variables. Select Path. Click Edit. Paste the path. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Type Claude. Press Enter. Getting error. Close PowerShell and run again PowerShell. Type Claude -help. Press Enter. Type Claude. Press Enter. Now the Claude is open. The default theme is dark mode, but other theme is also available. So I am going to choose default theme. Press Enter. Now you have see the login method. You need to have valid Claude account subscription. You have also Anthropic console account, and then you have also third-party platform. You have subscription, then you can use Claude Code on your Windows. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to install Claude Code on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.